Hello students, I am Sachin Joshi from J.V. Mehta Navyug Junior College, Khamgaon, District Buldana. So today we are going to learn the new topic group discussions. Subject English, class 12th, marks 4, page number 166 of your textbook. Next slide. Dear friends, let's know the importance of group discussions. Here, point 1, we can generate more innovative ideas about the topic. During group discussion, the students came across new ideas acquired from different sources. They can exchange their ideas with each other. It also leads to generate the thought-provoking question and thus helps to generate new ideas and concepts about something. The second is, through group discussions, we can know our mistakes and weaknesses. Yes, of course, we can know our mistakes and we can, of course, correct them. It builds confidence to face the interview and also enhance our ability to prepare for the oral test. Group discussions gives us lot of confidence to put forth our opinions. We can confidently face the interview or oral examination with the help of group discussions. Point 4. It increases our understanding of a subject or the topic. So, this is the importance of group discussions. मित्रांनो, ग्रुप डिस्कशन मराठीमध्ये समूह चर्चेतून नवनवीन कल्पना, नाविन्यपूर्ण उपक्रम आपल्याला सुचतात. चांगल्यातून सर्वोत्तमाकडे जाण्याचा मार्ग म्हणजे समूह चर्चा होय. योग्य समूह चर्चेमुळे आपल्यातील आत्मविश्वास वृद्धिंगत होतो. आपल्या चुका आपणास कळतात व त्या आपण सहज सुधारू शकतो. समूह चर्चेतून एखादा विषय अथवा विषय घटकाचे आकलन सहज होते. वेगवेगळ्या नाविन्यपूर्ण विचारांची देवाणघेवाणीतूनच आपल्यातील सृजनशीलता वृद्धिंगत होते. तर मित्रांनो, चला शिकूया नवीन घटक ग्रुप डिस्कशन वा समूह चर्चा. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. The language and expressions used in group discussion. So dear friends, while writing the answer, we can use different expressions of language in our group discussions to make it more impressive. Friends, here are some expressions such as in my opinion, or I believe, or you are right, or I fully agree with you, or I am afraid I don't agree, or I think we should. Don't you think you could? I am sorry to interrupt you. Just a moment, please. Now, students, you can use these expressions while group discussion. There are lot of expressions given on your page number 167 and 168 of your textbook. You can use that expressions too to enhance the language of your group discussion. Next slide. Now friends, follow these points while writing the group discussion. Now here you have to follow these points while writing the answer of this question. The dialogues must be according to the given topic. It must be related with the topic. write at least 2 or 3 lines for a dialogue. You can write at least 2 or 3 lines for a dialogue. If speakers are not given, you can take imaginary names of any 3 or 4 speakers. Here, if the names are not given, you can take any 3 or 4 speakers, imaginary speakers, you can take it. And if the names are given in the question paper, then you have to write that names of the speakers given in the question paper. Next point. Comment on the thought provided by the earlier speaker. So here you have to comment on the thought provided by the earlier speaker and you have to continue the group discussion. So these are the important points you have to follow while writing the group discussion. Next slide. So students, how the question will be asked. So it is the question here. I read this question. There is an inter-school cricket match and your school is losing. As you are the captain, have a group discussion with your teammates in the tea break about the strategy to be followed to save your school team from losing the match. Give at least 4 or 5 suggestions. Page number 171 of your textbook. Now here this group discussion is given on page number 171 of your textbook, and now here in this way the question will be asked. So now how we have to reply this question. Next slide. Now dear friends, this is the answer of this question. Now here the names of the speakers are not given, so that I have taken the imaginary names here, and we can say that write down the group discussion. Now here these are the imaginary names I have taken here. Virat, the captain of the team, said, "Friends, we have to chase the target of 350 runs, 350 and more runs. We have lost 2 wickets earlier. It seems that we will lose the match." Shikhar said, "Yes, of course. If we don't stop to lose our wickets, we can't win the match." Next slide. Virat said, "In my opinion, we have to stay on the pitch first. Concentrate on the bounce of the ball because the pitch is turning its pace. We also have to keep the scoreboard moving and have to wait for loose ball for a boundary." Rohit said, "Could I make a point, please? I think that we should promote our informed batsman after this wicket to accelerate the scoreboard." Next slide. Virat said, "You are right, Rohit. What is your opinion, Shikhar?" Shikhar said, "Absolutely. I completely agree with you." Virat said, "So to conclude, we have to concentrate on our batting and don't have to lose our wickets early, and also have to promote our informed batsman after this wicket. That's it. Just get ready for the match." Now students, in this way you have to write the answer of this question. Next slide. Homework. Now this homework is given on page number 169 of your textbook. Now here the names are given, already given, so you have to write down these names. Here given here. Rama, Asik, Rachna and Arav are participating in a group discussion. The evaluator has given them a topic. The topic is teenagers are more inclined towards junk food nowadays. Write a suitable dialogues for each participant giving his or her opinion on the topic. Now, dear students, complete this homework. This homework is given on your page number 169 of your textbook, and you have to complete this homework. Next slide. Dear friends, if you have any problem, any difficulty regarding this topic, you can convey it on my WhatsApp profile, personal profile. Complete your homework and send it on my WhatsApp.